Hey beauties, I'm back with another beauty tutorial with Rastafri braid. I'm excited to share with you one of the colors from their new release colors of their Amazonia 6X 54-inch pre-stretched hair. So I left this back part out because I wanted to show you in a tutorial the new color that I'm going to use. It is T1B/red and you get 6 packs. So here's the packaging that it comes in, and this is what you need to look for when you hit up your local beauty supply store. And here's the back part of it, and it just has the social media handles, how to use the hair, and the different styles. So let's go ahead and get this hair out of the package. And again, I'm also wearing Amazonia 6X 54-inch pre-stretch hair in black, and then I want to add this beautiful red, T1B red, to the back part, that little section that I showed you, to give a little peekaboo. I love that this hair is pre-stretched. This has cut my braiding time in half. And again, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 packs in each bundled pack. So I only needed 2, black, and then of course it's red. So let's go ahead and grab a mini bundle, and let's go ahead and take a little bit, because as you can see, it's already pre-stretched. So literally cutting your braid time. So I'm gonna take a little section, and I'm gonna first start my braid off because I'm doing knotless braids in the back for individuals. So I have my piece, and to help slick and mold my hair so it's easier to grip the braid when braiding, I love using Diamond Black Panther Strong Edge and Braid Tamer. So we're gonna put a little bit on the hair. Again, I love it because it just helps me grip the braid, especially in the back. Sometimes you can't get a hold of it, and it just helps me get the hair and just get my hair going. So once you have the braid going, then we wanna go ahead and add a little bit of Rastafri Amazonia 6X 54-inch braiding hair. So I like to grab a little piece, and then to add a little bit more thickness to it and length, I'll take another piece and add. And you just want to keep that going. So here's the other piece I was just mentioning. I'm going to go ahead and add that into the braid. This is going to keep my braid just one width, a certain thickness, and also a certain length as well. And we're going to continue to braid. And this is pretty much the steps that you want to do throughout your styling. So again, I usually just need 2 packs if I'm doing just one color. In this case, I'm doing 2 colors. So I'll get my solid base color, which in this tutorial, it is black, 1B. And then I wanted to add a peekaboo with a color in this color, T1B/, yeah, I gotta bite it down because 54 inches is pretty long, beauty. So this is what I do to grip the rest of my braid, just so I'm not pulling on my hair and adding tension. I'll bite the braid. Normally if I'm getting my hair braided by someone else, they'll braid and I'll hold it. So being that I'm doing both, I will bite down on a braid. So feel free to try that. It is perfectly safe. But yeah, you want to go ahead and repeat these steps throughout your braid styling. And I love my braids long. And although 54 inches is very long because I added hair doing knotless, it added a little bit more length. So there we go, 2 braids so far and a few more to go. So let's go ahead and repeat those same steps with the rest of the remaining hair that I have left out to do my peekaboo with Rastafri's new color, T1B/red. They have like a ton of other new colors, but this is the one that I really like. So let's go ahead and add that in. Again, I love it. There's no tangling, there's no snapping. Beauties, your fingers will not get burned in this. And I have this video in real time, so you can really just see, like, I'm not speeding it up, but just you can really see how smooth and how quickly I'm getting through braiding. And you know, I'm not a professional, I'm more of an amateur, and it's just super smooth. So again, we're gonna repeat these steps throughout the braiding style until we are done. And I'm just about done. I'm excited to show you guys the end result of this hairstyle. So again, I did cornrows, tribal Fulani braid styles. I have those done in the front area as one layer, and then in the back I'm filling it with individuals, and I'm doing a peekaboo on my right side with Rastafri's new color, T1B/red. It's like a pretty ombre red. So we are all done. I want to go ahead and lay down my edges and also set the braid. So let's lay the edges down, and I'm using products from Diamond Black Panther Strong, and to lay down my edges, I'm going to use their Edge Tamer and Braid Tamer. And then I'm going to use their braids control foam, as you can see here, to set my braids and just lay the hair down and make it really nice and fresh. So we want to go ahead and put some of the foam on, and then of course we take the braid and edge tamer, Diamond Black Panther Strong collection, and you can grab a toothbrush. I have an actual edge tamer brush and styler. You can pick these up at any local beauty supply store along with your Rastafri Amazonia 6X pre-stretch 54-inch hair. So now that we have that completed, beauties, let's go ahead and tie that down. I'm using a scarf, and what I'm going to also do is grab my blow dryer head cap, and we're going to go ahead and set it for a few minutes. You can sit under a dryer, you can use a drying cap, as I'm going to use in this tutorial, like so, and we're just going to let it set for a little bit. This is going to help your braids to last for a very long time. And again, I love using the Diamond Black Panther Strong collection, their braid control foam, alongside their edge and braid tamer. So look at that. Super fresh and laid. Yes, look at her with the fresh braids. Ooh. So we're done. You don't have to dip these, ladies. The hair is super soft, but you can go ahead and seal your braids, but pretty much we are done. Again, this is Amazonia 6X 54-inch braiding hair from Rastafri. So you're already familiar, but I'm showcasing one of their new colors released, and I'm wearing a peekaboo of their color T1B/red. So what do you think? I'm loving it. I plan to wear this down, up, all the way to the front, to the side. So again, be sure to follow Rastafri Braid at Rastafri Braid and their sister brand Fashion Source Wigs at FS_wigs. Oh yes, and follow me at DJ Dimepiece. Be sure to keep up with all my videos and tutorials by clicking the alert bell so you don't miss notifications. You can subscribe and of course like the video, and be sure to comment and let me know what you think and what style would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.